What is your inner landscape right now? I believe art is all about expressing what we feel on the inside and sharing it with the outside world. But this can be really hard, and I want to teach you how to look inside and bring what you're feeling into the outside world. I'm Jamie Smith, and welcome to my class, Drawing Your Personal Landscape, Next Level of Drawing in Pen and Ink. I'm an artist, and I also run a community of artists called Thrive Artist Network. We support female and non-binary artists to reach their personal and professional goals. It has been a real journey for me to find a way to express my feelings through my artwork. In the last years, I have found my medium of using pen and ink, but I've also found a technique of how to get my inner thoughts into the world, and I want to share this with you. This class is for creatives at any level because not only will you learn how to draw using pen and ink, but you will also learn how to reflect and turn those inner reflections into art, which you can use in any medium you love. It's sort of a practice to take with you. In this class, we will create our personal landscape drawing, and in doing this, you're going to learn how to use an inspiration photo to get started. You're going to learn how to find a personal symbol that will make your work even more meaningful. We will also create thumbnails where we can plan out our ideas before bringing it all together into our personal landscape drawing. I do mention in this class many techniques for using pen and ink, but that won't be the focus. I created a class specifically for this called the Flower Power Postcard, Basics of Drawing in Pen and Ink. That class guides you through the fundamentals of drawing with pen and ink and to make intricate floral designs. I do recommend you take that class first and then graduate onto this class where we go through the more concept work. Of course, you can come along with me now and go back and learn the techniques after. It's totally up to you. There are no rules in art. I'm so excited to get started together. In the next video, I'm going to tell you all about your final project. I'll see you there.